Hi everybody, I'm Catherine from the Ontario Science Centre.
And I'm Morgan.
We're really glad to have you in our kitchen today. Everybody's at home and we're doing our best to learn and have fun. And so we wanted to walk you through a little activity that we were doing today. We're gonna make
Oobleck!
Oobleck, so much fun. Okay, so Morgan's in grade 5 and we've been talking in grade 5 about the states of matter. You know, Morgan, you matter.
You matter too.
So tell me what the 3 states of matter are, Morgan.
There's solid, liquid, and gas.
Awesome. So let's talk about some examples of that. Some everyday examples of a liquid. Give me one.
Water.
Water. Now, can water also be a solid?
Yeah, if you freeze it.
If you freeze it and then it's?
Ice.
Amazing. And could you also turn water into a gas?
Yeah.
How could you do that?
You could boil it and then it turns into steam.
Amazing. So we have a solid, liquid, and gas in one material. Now, what if I told you, Morgan, that there's a material that actually has the properties of both a liquid and a solid at the same time?
That's so funny. We're actually learning that in school right now. It's called a Non-Newtonian Fluid.
And the one that we know is Oobleck. So we're going to try and make that for you today, okay? So Morgan, tell them what they need to make Oobleck at home.
You want to get cornstarch.
Easy.
You're going to have 1 cup of that. 1 cup of water.
Give or take.
Food coloring, that's optional.
We add the food coloring to the water before we make our mixture. Okay, so those are our ingredients, and I like these ingredients because when we're done playing with this stuff, it'll go into our compost. Great. Okay, so I'm gonna put the cornstarch in the bowl. Do you wanna color the water?
Yeah.
Okay.
How about blue?
Blue sounds fun. Okay, let's pour that in. Now don't add all of it all at once. Add some of it or most of it and you can give it a stir. Our silicone spatula here is floppy in the bowl and it's hard to get it mixed up. So let me just get in here. Oh wow, you can really feel the properties changing here. It feels like the liquid and the solid are really separate. So I've added a little bit more cornstarch to this mixture. Now Morgan, are you ready to get your hands dirty in this?
Of course.
Get in there.
Oh.
Now what have we got? You can pick it up, right? Now squeeze it in your hands. How does it feel?
It feels hard.
Okay, now open your hand gently and let's see what happens. Let it rest in the palm of your hand. And do you see how the viscosity is changing? And that's the rate at which liquids move. And so the viscosity is changing when she loosens up the pressure. Reach in and grab a little bit more. I think we have a lot of fun ahead of us here, experimenting and exploring this material. So that's really fun. Morgan, thanks for showing us how to make Oobleck today.
Of course, no problem.
You keep playing with that, and we hope that all of you guys are learning and discovering and being really patient with your time inside. Thanks so much for joining us today. Everybody stay well.
Bye.